Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Carcoar Sale Yards. My name's Lindsay Fryer from McCarron Cullinane. I'm just going to give you a quick update on what happened at Carcoar Sale Yards today. Today we had our monthly store cattle sale where we yarded approximately 2,100 cattle. It was a very strong market. There was approximately 1,200 steers, about 600 heifers, and the balance was made up of cows and calves and pre-tested cows.
Anyway, gentlemen, these are heavy steers, gentlemen. They've got the property of selling price for the next 2 yards and first 2 yards. She's done a great job on the boys. She's been reached every Angus for a long time now. Anyway, gentlemen, they're 410 kilos and they only be baby. They're beautiful steers, boys. Watch for those steers today, gentlemen. My son, my dad should be making somewhere near 25, 25, 25, 24 to start. 3, 23, 23 down, 23 down, and then 2,300. I've been 2,300 down, and then 2,010 from the outset. I've been 23.
It started off pretty strong. We had a couple of very good lines of locally bred steers here today, and they made in excess of sort of $7 and $8, but weighing 340 and 50 kilos. So they were realising back at $23 and $400. The smaller Angus steers, they went pretty well too. They were making $9 and $10 a kilo as they usually are. So you needed $2,100, $2,200 to start. Even our coloured steers today were making $2,000, so it was a pretty strong market.
Right, I got 22 bid, 22, what do you need now? I got 22 bid, 22 10 grams, know what I mean? 22 10 and out I go. 20, 30, 22 30 up on, 22 34, 6, 7, 8, 22 80, 22 80 you're out up top, 22 80 and down they go.
We then went on to the heifers where there was approximately 600 heifers. Pretty similar story. Our best heifers were making somewhere around about that 580 to 650 cents a kilo. So they were realising $2,200, $2,300. Down to our little Angus heifers, which were selling pretty well. They were making sort of in excess of just on $2,017 to $1,800. So it's pretty difficult to buy little cattle under $2,000 if they've got any quality about them. We didn't have a lot of cows and calves there, but our best cows and calves made up to $4,000, a bit over $4,000. They were heifers and calves, and running had the opportunity back to the Angus bull. We then went into our preg-tested cows, and preg-tested cows sold very well also. Red taggers, middle-aged to older cows, making somewhere around about $2,400 to $2,500, weighing sort of around about 600 kilos. So they were still coming out at a bit over $4, $4.20 a kilo. So it was a pretty good day all up. We line up here on the 25th of March with nearly 6,000 weaners again, and then on the 1st of April, which is the following Friday, we'll have another 6,000. We had to split our sale this year, so we hope to see you all here at Carcoar on the 25th, and we can find a bed for you for an extra week and you can stay to the 1st. Thank you very much. This is Lindsay Fryer from McCarron Cullinane at Carcoar.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?